I used to be 320 pounds, and I tried every diet on the planet. I'm not kidding you.
Except for the Ozempic diet.
Except for the Ozempic diet. But I tried HCG injections. I tried all that crap. And guess what, you guys? If you have also tried every diet, then you're going to love this video because I'm going to tell you what saved my life. And it wasn't a diet. It wasn't calorie counting. It wasn't a tracker. It wasn't a pill. It was this thing right here in nature, which...
This thing right here.
We have outside.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
I lost 160 pounds. That is the human you see sitting here, I lost. So that's crazy. Without any loose skin. Mom's lost 100 pounds with no loose skin. The first thing that saved my life was becoming completely abstinent of sugar and flour. That saved my life.
So people don't know what the word abstinent means.
So I became completely sober from sugar and flour.
So no more flour and sugar. That means she didn't eat flour or sugar. So Penelope, just break it down. That means pizza,
chips, candy, no ultra processed foods throughout the loaves of bread, no more cane sugar, no more Oreos, cookies, Burger King. I did, though, make Burger King at home. I made my own patties, I made my own buns, I froze them, I made my own ice cream, my own cookies, my own yogurt. I used allulose, I used monk fruit, and we dive into all the things and all the ways you can do that in our program, so go check it out, link in bio.
And on our Substack, so definitely check that out too.
So it's possible. It's not like I never ate sugar again. I just decided to eat allulose instead and had 0 calories and I lost 160 pounds. To me, now looking back, I'm like, why did nobody teach me this? They should have taught you.
Well, I think I tried to teach you.
Well, not like you, but like in general.
Well, I think it's the parents' responsibility.
Why didn't our schools feed us different food? Why didn't our teachers teach us differently? This is like my...
Well,
I'm just prefacing that. What else was really important? Consistency. Every day I was perfect, meaning every day I went for an hour and a half walk, and every day I went for... No. The fact that every day I said I was going to work out, and whether it was for 5 minutes or 50 minutes, I always showed up. That is why I'm where I am today.
Yes, and you really committed. And even if you had like your cheat days that you ended up getting rid of, you were really committed. You had a lot of false starts, Penelope.
Tons of false starts.
And then
the consistency part that I really wanted to hone in on is for anyone listening.
Yeah.
The one thing you can do today is just keep doing that one thing that you're committed to doing.
And if it stops working, you have to change it up. Like, for example, Penelope found this new protein powder that she loved. And then she noticed she was gaining weight. And so she had to change that up, you know. So thing that works for you today, do it. Yes, follow through. Build confidence with yourself to build the foundation of your future. Foundation is so important. That trust in yourself, rebuilding that. And then slowly, as you do that, you'll have more hope. So get that trust, and then comes the hope. And then it's like, well, I get to keep trying things. And it is a creative process, and it's a process of self-realization. I mean, you found out so much about yourself during this process, Penelope. You confronted so many times your resistance. Changing is so hard, actually. And then building muscle. Think about it. You're basically like tearing apart your muscle to rebuild it every day when you work out. You know, that is the process of transformation in the physical realm. And so it's a very confronting process to do what you did. Not everyone feels like they have what it takes, Penelope. What do you have to say to those people who say, well, that was for her. I'm not like her. I'm not as privileged as she is.
Well, the thing is, there's no privilege in the ability to walk. Now, people really like to debate me on this topic. And guess what? If you live in a bad neighborhood, you can walk in your house.
We have a member who walks around her living room with her toddler.
Literally. Now she's getting 12,000 steps. The point is, she does it every day. She's committed to doing it every day. Whether she does it to 12,000 or 10,000, it's the fact that she does it every day.
She shows up for herself and her daughter.
She cooks all her own food every day. Whether she's making the most healthy food or the most unhealthy food, she's cooking at home so she can control the ingredients going in.
She's saving money, she's increasing her health, and she's increasing her energy, and she's feeling it. She's losing 3 pounds a week consistently since she joined the program.
And movement is important. That's something else that saved my life. It was natural movement. Walking. And my mom made me bike everywhere. If I wanted to go to my friend's house, I was biking. If I wanted to go to the store, I was biking. If I was going out to lunch, I was biking.
Yeah.
Biking everywhere. And I had to work out every day. I had to do strength training. I had to do at least an hour, and I did. And I showed up. And whether I was moving for that hour or not, I put my workout clothes on and I committed to it. And I showed up. When you show up for yourself every single day, you prove to yourself that you can do it. Because the voice that says, I can't do it, is way louder than the voice that says, I can do it.
And you have to say, shut up to that voice. You have to say, get out. That's not the truth. It's so important. And I know that you can do it because you're right, Penelope. It's not about privilege. Your body, everybody's body, regardless of how much money they have or where they live in the world, is designed equally to heal itself. But you do have to know what ingredients to give it. The movement, natural sunlight, less blue light, whole foods from their source, right? Good oils, high quality proteins, or if you can't afford those, then no protein, you go veg. There's all kinds of ways to do it. We're here to support you. We have a 30-day challenge where you will lose 8 to 10 pounds. You will lose 8 to 10 pounds if you join our 30-day challenge. So definitely click the link in the description below. If you want to know how we have no loose skin during this 260-pound weight loss journey that we've had together, I've lost 100 pounds. Click the link below to get the Ultimate Skincare Guide. You can download that and get all of our secrets. As I mentioned earlier in the video, join our Substack. Subscribe to our Substack. We are giving you so many amazing recipes. Recently, we posted our Tulsi tea. We posted our curry recipe. We're posting all kinds of smoothie recipes that are really outrageous. Can you imagine a cauliflower smoothie that tastes like a Wendy's Frosty? Anyway, we love food and we love health and we love you. So comment down below. We'd love to hear why you think it's possible for you or why you think it's not possible for you. But we really love to hear from you. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, do so. We really appreciate it. It means a lot for our metrics and it gives us motivation to continue doing this for you and with you. We want to know what you want to hear about on these videos.
Don't forget to follow us on all of our social medias down below, X, Instagram, and TikTok, and we will see you all the time.